fam, welcome to I Think It. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Ingrid and I welcome you to the pinkest place on YouTube. Here you're going to learn everything from DIYs that will help you decorate your home to travel tips that will help you make all of your adventures more affordable. So, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe by clicking the red button and turn on post notifications by clicking the bell. I think you kind of have an idea of what am I doing today. I got a pink suitcase and a mess. So today I'm going to show you how am I going to pack 14 outfits and all of the essentials that I need to take to my trip to Southeast Asia tomorrow. So if you want to learn how I make miracles with such a small space, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to show you how I pack my clothes. First, let's learn how am I going to be folding this t-shirt. I actually divided in 3. Then I'm gonna do a Marie Kondo style, so I'm gonna fold it in 3 again. I'm gonna leave like a small part and then another small part and then I'm gonna fold it. So then we get this tiny t-shirt. I do something a little different for the jeans. Basically, I fold it in 2, then 2 again, and I roll it. And I do the same with the shorts. Now for a dress, I'm going to be doing the same as Marie Kondo, so we're gonna fold it in 3. And then I'm gonna fold it in 3 again. And lastly, if you have a long dress, I would recommend you to do the same thing you do with the jeans. So you end up with something like this. I would recommend you to use this technique for jeans, for long dresses, and for jumpers. Now this is the fun part because we get to put everything inside. So I usually start with the shorts, the jeans, the jumpers, and the long dresses. Second, I'm going to show you how I pack all my toiletries and make my first aid kit. Alright, I'm gonna start putting all of the pills in this compartment. Let's start with Pepto-Bismol. I'm taking them because they get a lot of Bali over there. Another thing I'm gonna be taking is Benadryl. I actually have really bad skin and food allergies, so in case I eat something or I touch something that causes a reaction to me, I will love to have Benadryl. Third, I'm going to be adding some motion sickness relief. Usually people that I travel with have it, so I'm just gonna take it just in case. Next, I'm going to be taking some Advil. These are probably going to go in this compartment. We're gonna need some Band-Aids. This is another important one. I mentioned to you that I have allergies, so I will also like to have some ointment. I'm going to take the cortisone, the travel size. Next, I don't know if you've heard that in Bali they have a lot of Zika, dengue fever, and all of that. So to be careful, I'm just gonna take some repellent. As far as medicine goes, this is everything that I would recommend you to take it. In addition, I'm going to be taking an EpiPen. This is because I have a really bad peanut allergy and their traditional dish happens to be shrimp in peanut sauce, 2 of the foods that I'm the most allergic to. Since it's a huge container, I'm just going to be taking all of my prescriptions just in case they request them. Alright, next on, I'm going to be taking this travel pack. This is also mosquito wipes, so in case you do not want to take the liquid, then you can also take the wipes. I'm just going to be taking those 2 just to be careful. As far as Bali goes, you might also want to take some wipes with you. This is just to make sure that when you don't have access to washing your hands with bottled water, then you can just clean them with the wipes. Also, I wear a lot of makeup, so I'm just going to be taking some makeup cleansers. This is also the travel size. Alright, now let's get into the toiletries that I'll be taking. This is some beauty related product. I'm just going to be taking the wax that is going to help me to remove unwanted hair. As far as liquids go, I will be taking a few lotions. So let me show you all of them. I'll be taking some samples. So this is for eczema in case my skin gets really bad. Then I'll be just taking one for the body. I'll be taking one for moisturizing my face for the morning and the night. So I'm also going to be taking the toothpaste, so I'm just going to add it in this mix. Next I'm going to take in some cotton swabs. I'm just going to put these ones in here. Then I'll be taking floss with me too. Deodorant, travel size. Oh, this is important. I'm actually taking the bar. They won't say anything if you take the bar, just avoid taking the liquid. Next, I will recommend you on taking a shampoo bar, that so you don't have to worry about carrying the liquid. I actually got a container for it, so we're just gonna place it in here. Alright, I will just also recommend you to add some feminine products. As far as toothbrush goes, I just usually put it in a Ziploc bag, then I fold it, and I think, oh, maybe just in here. Yeah, that's perfect. Also, don't forget to put in your chapstick. And now we're good. I'm actually not going to pack makeup in camera because I'll be using it this whole week, but I spread it around this travel bag in my backpack. As you can see, I still have space in here. Usually what I do is that I put my underwear. I'm not going to pack this on camera, but I get this small travel pouch and I just put all of my underwear in here. Then for example, for bras, I get this one that it's for laundry, but then it's just easier and compact for me to have them all in one place arranged. And as far as socks go, I will just try to find space within some holes that we have from the other side, and I'll just like fill it in. For shoes, I only take 2 pairs. Basically, I take my white tennis shoes and I also take my brown sandals. And third, I'm going to show you all the gadgets and electronics I will be taking. The most important one I take is my travel adapter. Basically, this is going to help you connect your phone or charge your electronics, your camera, etc. Depending on the country you are, you're going to need a different adapter. I usually take a mini iron with me. As you realized, I folded everything, so everything's gonna be wrinkled when I fold it. Usually I just iron all of my clothes, and this one is really good because it has universal voltage. Next, I'm going to be putting my camera stabilizer. I had to put it apart, otherwise it won't fit. Then this part, I'm just gonna add it in the other side. Next, I'm going to be taking my flat iron. I have a travel pouch that I just put in here. This is also a universal one, so it will work anywhere you are. Other than this, I will be taking my drone, my chargers, my camera, and all of that videography equipment goes in my backpack because I feel like it's safer to put it in there. So we are basically left with this small space where you can put additional things you might need. Hey Pink Fam, I hope you learned so much from my tips, especially if you are allergic to the main traditional dishes and if you love to travel fashionably, so that means knowing how to create extra storage in your carry-ons. And as some of you know, this is my anniversary month, so I've been making videos for a year and I'm so excited. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe by clicking that red button. You keep supporting the content that I make, and also if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video, then click that bell 2 times and you won't ever miss a video. Other than that, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know you want to see more helpful tips like this one. I have a little announcement. I think for the remaining of the month, I'm not going to be uploading YouTube videos This is because I'm not taking my laptop with me. I want to make sure that I learn from a new culture and I get immersed into the new countries that I'm visiting, so I cannot wait to show you all of the new contents and share with you all of the tips and lessons that I've been learning during my time in Southeast Asia. However, I don't want to leave you without any updates, so I'm going to be making a few lives. I never done one, but I wish me luck. I hope I find reliable internet, so I'll be sharing a little bit of my trip in Southeast Asia. And other than that, if you want to see a few glimpses of my trip, I'm also going to be sharing Instagram stories. If you're not following me there, you can find me at @ipinket_. I hope you have an amazing week, and remember, keep on creating the life of your dreams. Bye guys!